Hello and welcome to this special video for Livegood. I am doing an unboxing. My very first products have arrived. Small package, got it right here. I'm going to unbox it, right here. So I'll do a little bit of editing to spare you the time, but got my first box of products from Livegood. I'm excited to share with you and show you what I got. So just to let you know, I'm in Florida, and the company is from Florida. So it only took a couple of days to get here. So it was pretty fast, and that's great because I know that they've had such demand since they opened their doors. They're growing, and they're having some growing pains, but they're still getting everything out. That's fantastic. That's really, really good service, really good customer service, really good order fulfillment. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Okay, and I might edit this so that you don't have to watch me do this part, or I may not. I don't know. All right. So we have a multivitamin here. This is more for my wife because I have another company, another network marketing company that I'm not active as a marketer, but I am a member, and I have been purchasing nutritional supplements. And folks, these nutritional supplements that I purchased from this other company are about $120 is what I spend per month. So I'm looking to actually make a change. Now, granted, it's pretty expensive, and those products are really good, but it's expensive. It's like it runs me like $120. So, a lot of people just can't afford that. Let's just be honest. I mean, a lot of people don't take care of their health because they can't afford the high cost of a lot of these nutritional supplements. And these are things that people need to have. So either you're going to make a choice. You're either going to go and spend a little bit of money to take some nutritional supplements, or in my opinion, and I think there's some scientific evidence to back me up on this, if you don't take care of yourself while you're healthy, when you have a problem, you're going to pay. You're going to pay one way or another, right? You're either going to pay co-pays and deductibles and time away from work and things like that and not feeling good, or you can take some supplements. So I still have a lot of product from the other company for myself, but this is for my wife because I want my wife to start taking the multivitamin. So this is 60 tablets in here, and this is going to last, like 2 months. This little bottle right here was $10, right? All right. So then I've got CBD oil. I've never tried this before. I keep hearing these things about CBD oil, and Livegood is not expensive. Their CBD oil is actually very reasonably priced. Because I've seen, it can cost, a lot of money, like $40, $50 for CBD oil. I think this is, I don't know. I don't use CBD oil, so this is the first time I'm going to give it a shot. I'm looking forward to trying the CBD oil from Livegood. And then we've got organic coffee, and this is organic. It has mushrooms in it. I don't eat mushrooms, but it's got mushrooms in it. It's mushroom chocolate, and it's supposed to be really good. So I'm looking forward to trying this organic coffee. Small thing, but I think it'll last probably. It's got 30 servings per container, and that makes between 6 and 8 ounces of coffee. So looking forward to trying this. I love coffee. I might go through, if I like this, I might order 2 of these. They're not expensive. These products are small, but they're not expensive. And the good thing about them being small is that they can be sent worldwide at not real extravagant prices. So I think that's it. And there's like a little sticker that they gave me, Livegood. And so for the organic coffee was $17.95. For the CBD oil, it was $26. And for the multivitamin for women with iron was $9.95. And I did go to like Kroger.com and looked online for like multivitamin, like one a day, and it's about the same price. It really is the same price. And I think this is a superior product than one a day. But some nutritional product is better than nothing. So we want to be a product of the product. I'm doing like coaching. I'm in a coaching certification course to be a wellness coach. So I'm diligently trying to lose weight and counting calories. I've lost 20 pounds. So I want to be a product of the product. If I'm going to go out and tell people they need to embrace a healthy lifestyle, then I need to be able to do that. And that everything reinforces itself. So if I'm living that healthy lifestyle because I want to set a good example, I want to set a good example for people who are interested in this business opportunity, hey, as a bonus, not only can you make some extra money, you can actually take good care of yourself and maybe even prolong your life. And that is priceless. So that's my unboxing of my first Livegood products. I'm very happy. They even wrote thank you on the receipt. It doesn't take much to make me happy, but somebody taking the time to write it on the invoice made my day. So that's it for the unboxing. I think I said inboxing. Unboxing of my first Livegood products. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.